If you hear a voice within you say you can't paint, then by all means paint and the voice will be silenced. Vincent van Gogh. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss vocabulary, a new word. The word we are going to discuss is castigate. Castigate. The pronunciation for this word is castigate. 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 Castigate is a verb. Verb is an action word. The meaning for the word castigate is reprimand someone severely. To criticize someone or something severely. If you criticize someone or something severely, it is called castigate. To subject to severe punishment, reproof or criticism. If you give someone a severe punishment or reproof or criticism, it is called castigate. Use castigate when you mean to reprimand in an especially harsh way. If you criticize someone in a harsh way, you can use the word castigate. If you accidentally spill coffee all over your mother's favorite sari, you might worry that she is going to castigate you as soon as she finds out. So, castigate means punish and punish harshly. But the punishment is always a severe scolding. To punish in order to correct them. In that case, you can use the word castigate. Now, we are going to look at the synonyms for the word castigate. Chide, reprove, reproach, scold. These are the synonyms for the word castigate. Look at the antonyms for the word castigate. Praise, commend, laud. Castigate means to criticize someone in a harsh way in order to correct them. So far we have discussed the meaning, pronunciation and the synonyms and antonyms of the word castigate. Now let us use the word castigate in a sentence. Look at this sentence. Health inspectors castigated the kitchen staff for poor standards of cleanliness. Number 2. Beena was castigated for her comments about the government. So far in this class, we have discussed the pronunciation, meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and the usage of the word castigate. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.